Hey y'all, going to a 4th of July party and don't know what to bring? Join me in my kitchen as I cook up some easy and delicious sides and dessert for the celebration. We'll start with classic baked beans, the perfect addition to any backyard barbecue. Followed by a tasty broccoli salad with bacon, cheese, and red onion. Then we'll put a twist on a fruit tray with a delicious strawberry fluff. Finally, we'll finish up with a patriotic fresh strawberry pie. So come on in and let's get cooking. Crock-pot baked beans. You're going to want to dice up your onions, jalapeno, bell pepper, and garlic pretty finely. I also diced up and cooked my bacon, and I've reserved about half of it for my broccoli salad. I have a Ninja multi-cooker and I absolutely love it. I saw it on In the Kitchen with Mama Mel's channel, and my husband got it for me for Mother's Day. And I'm just going to cook up my bacon in there and then drain it and most of the grease off. Then I'm going to add my onions, bell pepper, and jalapeno and saute those until they're soft. Then you're going to add your canned beans. Then you're going to add your barbecue, ketchup, mustard, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce. Then just add your cooked bacon. And stir it around until it's nice and combined. Then you're going to pop your lid on and cook it for 6 hours on low and about 3 hours on high. And you got some juicy baked beans in the crock pot. Broccoli salad. I take this to nearly every family gathering, and everybody always wants the recipe. Friends, family, everybody. Start by dicing up your red onion pretty fine. I like it fine. If you like it chunky, you do that. Then you're going to put mayo in a jar and 3 caps of distilled vinegar. And you're going to put some sugar. Now, this is pure cane sugar. If you have granulated, it might be different, but you just want to taste that and make sure it does taste sweet. Then you're going to add your ground black pepper, and you're going to assemble your broccoli salad with your broccoli florets. And I take some out and cut them up into smaller bite-sized pieces. Then I add my cheese, red onion, bacon, and then I put the sauce on the top. If you need to make more than just sides for your 4th of July celebration, I do have a side laying smoked barbecue chicken and a potato salad recipe that I'll link in a video up above. There's your broccoli salad, and it is delicious. Really, everyone wants this recipe, so try it out. It's really easy. Strawberry fluff. This recipe is literally 2 ingredients if you don't count the fruit, so if you don't have time to make anything, this should be it. Start by taking 8 ounces of strawberry cream cheese, and then you're gonna add a can or a jar, whatever, of marshmallow fluff. You should start it out at room temperature, but if you forget, like I always do, you can always pop it in the microwave for 10 seconds and then mix it up together and it should be good. And then you pour it into a bowl surrounded by some pretty fruit. I chose the colors of the 4th of July for this, and it is delicious. My cousin Cindy gave me this recipe, so thank you very much, Cindy. Fresh strawberry pie. Normally, I just use strawberries, but for patriotic purposes, I added blueberries as well. Start by slicing up some strawberries how you see fit. I kind of like them in half. I like big chunks of strawberries, especially when they're in season. You're going to lay them in your prepared pie crust, kind of uniform, so they're in a nice layer. Then you're going to pour a cup of sugar into a saucepan with your cornstarch and your water. And you're going to stir that up really good and heat it on about medium until it becomes thick, and it'll kind of become clear. Yours will look clearer than this. This one looks more yellow. If you're using pure cane sugar, it will look more yellow. If you're not, it'll look a little cloudy, but not as milky as it did. You're going to pull it off the heat when it gets thicker and becomes clear, and you're going to pour your Jell-O in, and you're going to mix that up really good until all the clumps are out. While it's warm, you're going to want to spread it over your strawberries evenly and then pop it in the fridge for about an hour. I love making my own homemade whipped cream for pies. It's fresher and it tastes better. However, if you prefer using store-bought whipped cream, that's perfectly fine too. If you're interested in learning how to make your own whipped cream and how I pipe it onto pies to make them look pretty, check out my video linked above. This is my 13-year-old daughter making a strawberry into a pretty rose for the top. Now that's a patriotic pie. If you want to impress people, make this one. Thank y'all for joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a safe 4th of July, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.